Claude just got a brand new upgrade that makes growing on YouTube easier than ever before. You could use it to create your content for you, optimize your older posts, learn what you're doing wrong in your content, and even keep track of your competitors. And by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how to connect your YouTube channel to Claude. And I'm gonna give you 5 automations that you need to make sure you get set up today because these are gonna help you grow faster. In fact, they just helped this creator gain over 200,000 subscribers and this creator almost 500,000 subscribers, and they allow you to make your content creation way easier and spend way less time doing it. Okay, so the first thing I need to show you, and don't worry, this is literally only going to take 30 seconds, is exactly how you're actually going to connect your YouTube channel over with Claude. The first thing that you need to do in order to do this is get registered for vidIQ. Luckily, if you go to the pinned comment below, I actually have a link where you could get started today for literally only $1. What this is going to do is this is going to give you access to vidIQ's MCP, which gives you your YouTube channel and your YouTube data in any AI tool. This is going to allow you to connect your vidIQ MCP to Claude, ChatGPT, Cursor, and more. Essentially, this is exactly how it works. If we just scroll down here, right here, we could see it's literally just a 4-step process. You're going to open up Claude, you're going to go to customize connectors, add connectors. I'll literally show you exactly what that looks like really quick. You're going to be on Claude over here. You're going to click right here, which is going to open up settings, or you could just click on customize right here. You're going to click on connectors. You're going to click on this plus. You're going to click on add custom connector. And then literally you just come over here, follow these instructions right here, paste this, and boom, this is going to be connected to your YouTube channel. Now, to ensure that you did it correctly, once you actually have it connected, you want to put in this prompt right here. Now that I have vidIQ MCP connected, tell me all the tools that are available to me and all of their capabilities. And then in seconds, this is literally 1, going to confirm that you actually have it. And 2, this is also going to tell you exactly what tools are now available to you, which is going to get your brain thinking, because you're going to see that the vidIQ MCP actually exposes 31 different tools here. In fact, they keep adding more and more tools. The first video I made about this, I think they only had about 15. They have things around channel research and analytics, video research and analytics, discovery, outliers and trends, optimization. They have things around Instagram now. They have things around account, and this is pretty crazy. So in order to actually automate these things, what you're going to want to do is come over to the left-hand side right here. You're going to see cowork. You're going to see that this is actually going to prompt you to open up the desktop app. Once you do that, you're then going to see that we can actually click on cowork right here, come under scheduled, and we'll be able to see that we could schedule out tasks. Now, I'm using a burner Claude account that I have right here in order to show you this. So we could come over here and we could see that we could create these with Claude, or we could set them up manually. Essentially, all of the 5 prompts that I'm about to give you, you want to come over here. You want to set a name, a description, drop the prompt in here. I would make this so that this acts without asking, because if you have ask before acting, it will actually ruin your automations. And then you could set up when this actually runs. If you want it running daily, if you want it running weekly, it's probably going to change depending on all these different automations. So that first prompt and automation you want to make sure that you get set up is going to be this one right here. Using the vidIQ MCP, pull my connected channel and infer my niche from the top 10 topics and best performing videos. Then automatically discover 8 to 10 new channels in that niche that I'm not already adjacent to. For each poll, I want you to pull the average views, the cadence, and their highest 3 view per hour videos in the last 90 days. I want you to rank this recent VPH momentum, not size, output a table, and auto flag the top 3 breakout channels. So this is something that I would have run either every day if you're in a niche that constantly has new competitors popping up, or if you're in a smaller niche, I would have this run on a weekly or monthly basis. What this is going to do is this is going to look at your channel, look at the content you are uploading, and it is probably going to expose other channels that you didn't know existed, other videos that you didn't know existed. And we can see that this is now actually going through and using all of these different tools right here. So this actually went through, this pulled my channel, this pulled my best performing videos in order to confirm my niche right here. And now this is going to go through, and this is actually going to pull a list of competitors right here. And this is going to see who new channels are that I'm not actually tracking right now. So this actually goes through and figures all of this out. And guess what? In the past, this would have been either 1, something that took me like an hour or 2 to do either every day or every week, or 2, this was something that I was just ignoring, which is something that would actually slow down my growth. And if you're ignoring stuff like this right now, it's why you're not getting the views you want, you're not getting the subscribers you want, and ultimately you're not getting monetized on YouTube. Okay, so now this has actually gone through. This has actually ranked 10 new channels by 90-day best performance right here. We could see the channel, we could see the subs, the recent average video views right here. And this is going to be incredibly useful information right here, because this is literally going to show me exactly what breakouts are worth studying, what I need to be doing right here, and who I need to be paying attention to. but this was just the first prompt. The second prompt that I wanted to show you is the one that I used over here. It's going to be pretty similar, but very different. In fact, this is one that you should run every single day. So using the vidIQ MCP, pull my connected channel, infer my niche, then run an outlier hunt across that niche for the last 90 days. Return the top 12 outlier topics with the source video, multiplier, why it worked, translate each into an angle that I can own as Rob the AI guy, which is the YouTube channel that I have connected also to my MCP. So I have two channels. So this actually does with my other one, and then take the single highest ranked topic and automatically process 10 scored titles for it. Output everything as tables. So this now actually goes through. This gives me all the different topics, the ones that are crushing, the views per hour, how many views, and this actually scores this right here, which is pretty incredible. Now, after that, this actually goes through, tells me why it broke out and the angle that I could actually own and how I could actually do this better. If we come down here, this actually gave me a bunch of different titles right here, gave me a score for them. This is pretty crazy. This one right here, Claude AI plus YouTube equal passive income, full beginner setup. This might be a video that I do in the future. I'm just a little bit concerned about making income claims on YouTube because YouTube doesn't like that. There are a bunch of other YouTubers out there that are doing that right now, and I don't know how long they'll be around because I've seen so many channels come and go. In fact, I've been doing this for 7 years and I'm going to stay on the right side of history. So I'd probably honestly go with a topic like this. Claude AI just changed how you start YouTube channels. Here's why. And this is actually a video that I'm going to make in the future. So the third prompt is going to be this one right here. Using the vidIQ MCP, pull my connected channels, last 20 uploads with views, views per hour, click-through rate, watch time signals, and automatically identify 1, my top 3 most common mistakes, 2, what my bottom 3 videos are, what caused it, and 3, surface any older videos with strong fundamentals but a weak title and tags worth going through and re-optimizing. Then generate the actual replacement title and tag set for each. And this literally is doing a ton of stuff here. So we could see that this is now going through. This is scanning my channel for the things that are working, the things that aren't working, and past videos that I could actually go through and optimize. And it is going to give me the exact optimizations that I need to be making. Okay, so now this has actually gone through. This has pulled my last 20 long form videos, pulls the views per hour, the retention, the average, how many subscribers I got from it. And this goes through a bunch of different recommendations. So it goes through the common thread of the things that are working the best, shows me what is actually hurting my content the most. And this goes through different re-optimization candidates right here. So we have our old title, we have our new title, and this goes through and also gives me new tags. So literally what I've showed you now is 1, how to find new competitors on autopilot. 2, how to find what's trending in your niche on autopilot. 3, how to optimize your content on autopilot. And the next thing that I wanted to show you is over here. I wanted to show you how to use the vidIQ MCP to pull my connected channels, 5 most recent uploads for each one, generate 10 alternative titles, and I want you to go through and not use my existing template structures. So basically, this is going to break the automation that you might already be running on your YouTube channel, and not literally an automation that's set up with Claude, an automation that you just keep doing the same thing over and over again, and you might actually be boring your viewer right here. So this actually goes through what the video is, goes through what the current title is, goes through the score, goes through a recommended title that has a higher score, gives me a score delta, and gives me a swap priority right here. So this literally goes through and tells me everything that I should change, goes through my key findings right here and goes through next steps. So it literally shows me what I should change, what I should swap, and what I should optimize. Now, there is one other prompt that we need to go through, and that is going to be this one over here, which personally I think is actually my favorite. So we could see right here, using the vidIQ MCP, and obviously every single prompt wants to start with this. And if you want to use these for yourself, just take a screenshot of the prompt, upload it into Claude, and it will actually allow you to do it without you actually having to type anything in. So pull my connected channel, infer my niche, run an outlier hunt, and select the single best content opportunity automatically. This is something that I would run every single morning, because what this is going to do is find the best content opportunity, and then it's going to build you a script in your format. It's going to then go through and create an SEO optimized description with timestamp placeholders. 3, it's going to give you a ranked tag set from real keyword volume and competitor data. 4, it's going to actually give you 4 shorts that you could create from this. In fact, this is what I do every single day. This is how I'm able to run multiple different YouTube channels, and this is how I always stay on top of exactly what is trending. So this went through, it gave me exactly what title I should actually use right here, tells me why I should use that, gives me my outline right here and exactly how I should do this. Obviously, I do these screen recordings with most of my content, so I'm not scripting out my content word for word. I really just need an outline, and that's exactly what this gave me right here. In addition to that, it gave me the SEO description right here, which is pretty incredible. Comes over here and actually gives me a bunch of tags that I should use, tells me why I should use them based on the volume, competition, score, and the priority. In addition to that, it gives me a bunch of different shorts hooks right here. Now I could go through and I could use this in order to increase my views on YouTube. And again, if I were you, I would get every single one of these set up inside of Cowork so that you could automate these. And this is going to help you grow faster on YouTube, get more subscribers, get more views. And if you don't have your YouTube channel hooked up to your Claude, you're at a major disadvantage right now. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you want to learn exactly how the YouTube Shorts algorithm works right now for June of 2026 so you can get more views and grow faster, I would strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through exactly how it works, because there are a bunch of new changes that you're not going to believe. I'll see you over there.